Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, yan. This is for the sign of Virgo. Let's start your reading. You do have here the Strength card, Five of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Wands is here. You know, you're the Queen of Pentacles, pero it's upside down. So, yeah, reverse. Gusto kong basahin siya ng reversal. Nararamdaman ko yung energy ng reversal. Okay. I feel like for some of you, sorry about my voice nga pala, no? You are the kind of person ngayon na maraming transformation na ginagawa sa sarili mo. You know, gusto mong, maybe may gusto kong baguhin or what. You are almost complete. Malapit nang makomplete. Like, in a way na parang, yung iba spiritually, ganon. But, yung iba naman, kung ano yung transformation na ginagawa mo sa sarili mo, malapit nang matapos. Okay? For some of you, maybe nasa career ka na ngayon ng buhay mo, na yan na talaga yung linya mo, yung career na yan. And maybe konti na lang, maybe konting kaalaman na lang ang kailangan mong malaman dyan. For what I can see here, with the Five of Cups, pwedeng there's heartbreak or pain or lungkot na nararamdaman ka with regards to love. Pwedeng ganon. Or sa sarili mo, na pwedeng nagmamatapang ka lang with the Strength card. I'm feeling like kino-cover up mo lang lahat itong lungkot na nararamdaman mo ngayon. You are actually the kind of person na matulungin. Kino-consider mo yung mararamdaman ng iba. I'm feeling like you are the kind of person na malambot din naman yung puso mo, no? Pagdating sa iba. For what I can see here, dito sa ating bottom of the deck, some kind of ending, yun nakikita natin. But I feel like it is an ending na parang ready ka naman na, or okay ka na sa kung anong tatahakin mo. With regards to your career, Queen of Pentacles, may nakikita tayo na someone na parang the Queen of Pentacles is talking about money, material things. Now, this is you na parang there's a person na pwedeng hindi masyadong either nagiging na problema or nagkakaroon ng problem yung stability mo or career mo because of this person, the Three of Swords. Okay? Pero pinipilit mong ayusin eh. Pero I feel like lagi talaga siyang nandyan with the King of Wands and the Queen of Swords. Na hindi mo naman kayang i-end or layuan with the Tower because hindi mo alam kung anong dapat mong gawing desisyon regarding dito. So, yun yung nakikita natin. Somehow nakikita natin na pwedeng nakakatulong. Pero, nakakatulong pero parang ikaw pa rin yung magmamando or ikaw pa rin yung magsasabi. Kahit pa paano napapagaan din naman yung yung trabaho mo or yung career mo. Maybe, I don't know kung may kinalaman sa love yon, pero pwedeng ganun. May taong nakakatulong sa'yo na parang medyo gumagaan yung um, trabaho mo or yung career o yung dapat mong gawin, but pwedeng siya rin yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit something to do with your profession. Kung bakit parang hindi mo matapos yung isang bagay. So, pwedeng maybe just a support yung tulong nitong taong to. Okay. So, kuhanin naman natin yung energy ng pagdating sa love for the sign of Virgo. Sorry about my voice, guys. Actually, kagigising ko lang kasi. But anyway, is this person that you're dealing with for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgos. Okay, for the sign of Virgos. Dover the Devil. Okay. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Five of Pentacles is here. Ano yung connection ninyo nitong person na ito? What is the connection all about? For the sign of Virgo, please. Okay. You do have your wedding at the bottom of the deck, so maybe may marriage na involved dito sa inyo na person na ito, maybe. Or this could be an ex, a past person. Or kung may relationship, pwedeng nagkaroon ng ending. Pero nakakakita tayo ng konting sweetness. So, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng on and off, pwedeng nagkaroon ng relationship and then nawala, then nagkaroon ulit. But I can see a connection between the two of you. The two person na ito. Maybe for some of you, isa sa inyo ang nagiging optimistic or positive thinking lang pagdating sa connection. Yung parang just in case na may problem, you do see that this is your person dahil mahal mo yung person na ito or maybe yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Kung ano man yung mga nagiging issues, inaayos na lang. Kasi parang wala naman ng choice kundi ayusin, parang ganun. And also at the same time, pwedeng yun nga, nandun yung pag-iisip na ng positibo regarding sa connection. Anyway, sorry about my cat. Kung naririnig mo yung ingay niya, sorry about that. Well, itong person na to with the devil is someone na may mga attitude or pakaugalian na parang hindi maganda. It's very narcissist. Kung magpapahila ka talaga sa kanya, babagsak ka eh. That's the energy. Siya yung tipo ng tao na imamanipulate ka niya or namamanipula ka na niya. Pwedeng napapaikot ka niya sa kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari. Maybe kung hindi man ngayon, in the past. Maybe may mga naging offer siya sa'yo or may mga pinakita siya sa'yo na naging dahilan. Maybe that's action, no, in the past na naging dahilan para maniwala ka sa kanya. Pero, ang reality or ang realidad dito is that this person needs you. kailangan ka niya. So, maybe kaya niya pinakita yon, kaya niya ginawa yon, or nagbigay ng offer or whatever, or nagpakita ng mga actions na yun. It is because siya talaga yung may kailangan sa'yo. Ganun yung nakukuha natin, no? And I don't know, yung iba sa inyo, you could be stuck dito sa person na ito, sa relationship or connection. The tower is here, so hindi natin nakikita nag-end agad-agad because may mga challenges with the 9 of Wands. Someone here is like acting immature. Oh yeah, pwedeng natutulungan mo itong person na ito. Or vice versa, pwedeng natutulungan ka niya kung bakit parang hindi mo ma-end yung connection because of that, yung may pagtutulungan na nangyayari. But you are currently stuck dito sa connection na ito. So, anyway, may mga nasa isipan at emotions mo ngayon towards this person. Okay, you do have the Queen of Wands. Okay. The Lovers, Page of Swords, the Magician. Very optimistic ka talaga na tao, no? And kukunin ko na rin yan sa side niya. Nasa isipan natin emotions niya towards you. For the sign of Virgo. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, minsan mo nang inisip din talaga na makipag-disconnect or makipaglayo or makipaghiwalay kung may relasyon dito sa taong to. Pero you see this person as your world. Parang maybe yun, nakikita mo siya na siya yung kukumpleto sa'yo, or that you really need this person. Baka naman mabago pa. May mga ganun eh. Nasa isipan at emotions naman niya towards you. Okay. 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Cups. And one more card. Ace of Swords. Kukuha ko ng card dito. Mutual energy. Sa emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Religious factor. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with your soulmate. Pay attention to the red flags. Okay. I feel like ang daming red flags dito sa taong to, pero pinalagpas mo, you know what I mean? Parang, nakikita mo yun, alam mo yun, and pwedeng sinabi din sa'yo yun in the past ng mga taong malalapit sa'yo, nakakilala sa'yo, pero isinantabi mo lang. Hindi mo, ang daming red flags eh. Pero I feel like kailangan mo, or itong taong to, parte talaga siya ng buhay mo. Para magkaroon ka ng spiritual growth. Kasi hindi ka magkakaroon ng spiritual growth kung hindi mo may experience yung makakonect sa taong ito. You know what I mean? Anyway, yung nasa isipan mo is maybe you want to focus on your work to make changes sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo, and maybe if you are in a relationship dito sa person na to, you do love this person. andun na yung passion mo. And with the Page of Swords, it's just that you are concentrated sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon. And maybe, part of you is gustong mabago siya. Because you're still holding on sa connection with the Queen of Wands. I feel like for some of you, hindi lahat pwedeng alam mo na may naghihintay sa'yo na person. Or you could be dealing with another person pa. Hindi para sa lahat. It feels like personal reading. Kasi hindi nakakakuha ng maraming energy. So, pwedeng hindi para sa lahat. Meron ako nakukuha dito na alam mong may naghihintay sa'yo. And I want to clarify this. Yeah, the Hierophant is here. I feel like you are already healed or naka-move on or parang okay ka na regarding dito sa connection with this person. Yeah, the Queen of Wands is here. So, pwedeng may communication. But, hindi ko nakikita na nagle-let go ka sa someone na magbibigay ng happiness. Kumbaga, hindi ko, kung alam mo na ikaw ito na may naghihintay sa'yo, hindi ko nakikita na magle-let go ka sa something or someone na talagang magbibigay ng happiness para sa'yo. Alam mo yan eh. Like, can you see this? It's like may apoy dito sa hand niya or may light. And dito rin sa Hierophant. By the way, I can smell apple. This could be a reading. Pwede kumakain ka ngayon ng apple or what. Yeah, there's a spiritual connection. And it feels like, alam mo ito, two different card to. Or two different, people. Pero pwedeng parang pareho yung energies. So yung iba sa inyo, this could be a soulmate connection. The backgrounds, look at that. It's the same, pink. A lot of love, a lot of passion. So, pwedeng both of you are hindi gumagawa ng action. So, but this person might be waiting. Pwedeng ikaw rin yung nakapagpasaya sa kanya. But can you see the energy of the Hierophant here? And the Queen of Wands. This is you, the Queen of Wands. And then, makikita mo hold pa siya sa stick. So, this could be another person. Yun nga, the devil. And it's not like kung gusto niyang mas malaro or mas maging happy, mas kailangan niya dapat mag-let go para mas maging masaya. Kaya lang, hindi niya ginagawa yun. And this is you. And the Hierophant is also, gusto niya ring maging masaya. And alam niya kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya. But the energy is that, yun, hindi siya umaakyat sa stairs or sa ladder. Dito sa stairs, hindi siya umaakyat para makita niya kung ano yung talagang makakapagpasaya sa kanya. So both of you, sabihin na natin, sa ngayon, pwedeng contented kayo or okay naman kayo, nandun yung comfortable naman kayo kung nasaan kayo. So, isa pa naman yan sa nagiging dahilan. And this energy with the Eight of Swords is like may number 8, parang infinity sign yun. So, maybe both of you are mirroring each other. And if someone here is stuck, and that could be you, mas pinipili na lang yung pagiging stuck. And yeah, this is calling in your soulmate is here. So, there's a lot of chemistry with this person. Pero yun nga, balik tayo dito kay the devil, which is your main person right now. Meron ka ng mga nagiging dahilan para makita na parang, and also your spirit guides, your angel guides are telling you, but hindi mo yun pinapansin eh. Ilang beses na nangyari na parang sila na mismo yung nagsasabi na i-cut off or tanggalin mo na yon, but sarado yung isip mo pagdating sa part na ito. Pagdating sa person na ito, yung nakikita niya or emotions niya para sa'yo, gusto niya kung ano yung kalagayan niya, yung katayuan niya ngayon because of you. Maybe malaki yung naging influence mo sa kanya. Kaya nakuha niya yung 9 of Pentacles, which is maybe success. Parang feeling niya successful siya or okay siya because of you. The Ace of Swords, this person is like, I feel like hindi siya masyadong nag-iisip. May ganun siyang energy. Basta-basta na lang, alam mo yan. But, with the Seven of Swords, nakikita ko there's love dito sa taong to. Pero parang ganun lang kadali para sa kanya na layuan or iwan ka. Ayan, nakukuha natin yung energy na yon. Matibay yung connection, yung relationship, pero mabilis lang para sa kanyang umalis sa sitwasyon or relationship ninyo. Dahil maybe eventually, alam naman niya na nandyan ka or maghahabol ka or I don't know. Pwedeng ganun. So, ano yung advice regarding this connection? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me advice para sa connection na ito. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You really do have the Devil, Page of Cups. For now, nakikita natin na you have to focus sa iyong career. The Eight of Pentacles is like someone na nagfo-focus sa career. With the Four of Wands, stability. You need to focus on this. I mean, kung marami kang learnings na ginagawa, gawin mo lang yun. And you need to focus. I feel like you still need this person kasi maa-achieve mo yung success na Nine of Cups. Nandyan siya. Three of Swords. And also your friends. Kung sino man yung mga tao sa paligid mo ngayon, they can help you. Like, kung pinananalangin mo na parang i-stay lang yung mga tao sa paligid mo. And yung mga tao nga sa paligid mo ngayon na naka-stay sa'yo, kasama mo, sila talaga yung kailangan mo for you na ma-achieve yung success. Pero, yung pinaka-advice is, with the Devil, pwedeng huwag mo siyang hayaan na i-manipulate ka. Ayun. And also at the same time, kung kusa siyang aalis or lalayo sa'yo, hayaan mo lang. Kasi you might feel like na kailangan mo talaga siya eh. Pero, hindi ko nakikitang kailangan mo. Kailangan mo lang in a way na nagkakaroon ka ng growth, improvements. Nag-evolve ka, kumbaga. Kasi may mga lessons ka natututunan dito sa connection ninyong dalawa. So, kailangan mo siya dun sa part na yun. Pero, sa buhay mo, parang hindi mo naman masyadong kailangan. Kumbaga, hayaan mo lang. Kung aalis, di aalis, diba? Huwag mong i-control yung paglayo or pag-alis nitong taong to. Kung aalis siya sa'yo. I mean, kung siya mismo, huwag mong pigilan. I will not take this. How about itong connection with the other person? What is the advice towards this? The advice for you is the King of Pentacles and the Nine of Actually, the Nine of Pentacles is in reverse. Nakukuha ko yung energy ng reversal doon. Nakakita talaga ako ng yin and yang energy dito. Sa ngayon ang energy is huwag ka mag-reach out. I mean, you might feel like you want to reach out or isa sa inyo gusto mag-reach out, pero the energy is, ang advice, huwag mo na mag-reach out. Yun nga, mag-focus ka sa money. Mag-focus ka sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa naaabot. Abutin mo muna yung pangarap mo, etc. And what will happen in the near future for you? Knight of Swords, Six of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Empress. The Death card, the Five of Cups is here. I can see a possible ending na magdulot ng matinding kalungkutan dito in the near future. I feel like pagdating sa person mo nakakonect, mas magko-concentrate siya sa kanyang sarili in the near future, like maybe health or physical, more on physical or health or sa sarili. This is self-love with the Empress. Okay, with the Seven of Wands yan, marami siyang aayusin or what sa sarili niya. And you know, over the Knight of Swords, someone in the past is like coming back in the near future for you. Pero pwedeng magdulot ng matinding kalungkutan and might be an ending because there's the Fool and Judgment here. Pwedeng may mga malaman ka na hindi mo ini-expect. But you will accept it. I want to clarify. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo. Yeah. You do over the Justice card. The World and the Chariot, the Two of Cups. The Emperor is here. The World and Eight of Swords, Three of Swords is here. Knight of Swords and the Lovers. Oh no. I mean, pwedeng ang maging energy nito, malungkot or masaktan ka because maybe may news maybe regarding sa, I can see, marriage or maybe another relationship with the Chariot. Like, I can see possible ng news regarding pagta-travel. Yeah, or another relationship, another connection with the Emperor. And this could break your heart. Ang pwedeng yung paghihintay ng isa sa inyo or ikaw, pwedeng ito yung maging ending noon because medyo masakit. But you have to accept it. Parang ganun. And tell me more. Sorry about my voice. Medyo nahihirapan akong lakasan pa. No? 7 of Cups is here. So, 10 of Cups. Yeah, I can see you na pwedeng may mga maabot kang pangarap mo in the near future. You have to focus on your goals, on yourself. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.